My family is not with me these couple of days and I'm so bored. So I decided to get out of the house and do something. I left my family at my wife's house with her father and mother and all the rest of her family. So my kids and wife are there. So I decided, okay, let's just take my two cameras, one of two or two. So I took two. It's a big photo camera and this is Osmo Pocket 1, and I wanted to get out. I just needed some peace, and I needed not just peace, I needed somewhere to relax and rest my mind. So I also took noodles so I can have mini lunch while I'm here. And so while I'm collecting all this stuff I need, I'm just going to get next to the river. So once again, welcome to the Vidrenjak river. This is the river where I grew up. I was, while summertime here in this place and all other places, having picnic, having, I don't know, time with friends and everything else. So this is one of places I really like and enjoy to come. It is a bit different now, but that's not a big deal. I still like it. So being that said, I haven't brought any chair or anything else to sit here, so I'm just going to sit on some of these stones and have this little lunch, enjoy the sound of the river, and maybe take some photo, enjoy that as well. But first of all, I want to show you this, and this is peace. As I said, I got my big camera, hot water and noodles, and I got me. So let the time of enjoyment begin. I could actually talk about this river some more. It is the biggest river. It is the biggest river here in Tutin. I don't know how it's going to be, this audio, how it's going to sound, but it doesn't matter. I just took my camera, just grab it and everything else, and decided to come here. And one thing there is, I decided as well, I'm just going, if I'm going to vlog, I'm going to vlog in English, inshallah. There is a lot of reasons for that. Back in the days when I just started vlogging, I started vlogging first couple of videos in Bosnian. Then I wanted to vlog in English. So after that, my friends told me, okay, it's interesting, but people won't understand. People here in Sanjak won't understand you. So I decided to get back to Bosnian, and now it's maybe 5 or 6 years later, I decided to get back to English vlogging, just because this vlogging thing is not so popular in Sanjak here. Is not something that can go and make you. I don't want to be famous. I just wanna share my thoughts, and I want share good things, interesting things. Nature. I'm visiting places and everything else. I wanna do it in vlogs. I had a lot of vlogs in Bosnian, but the hack attack killed that YouTube channel. So I'm just like trying to get another vlog channel, but maybe this time in English, and I don't know. Let's Bismillah. Let's say Bismillah and let's see how it's going. I'm just going to prepare noodles. I just feel my English is losing itself. I'm losing knowledge of English because I'm not using it for days. I don't speak it so often as I'm supposed to, and that's one of reasons I need to get back to English vlogging as well. Okay, I'm listening all the time. Sometimes I will even speak with my kid, but that's not enough, to be honest. And that's what I need to change. So here are these noodles. Hot water is inside. Camera. This went there. I don't want to get there. So let's just make a noodle. So I just need space. Okay, that's. I'm actually not sure how it's going to be, but I'm gonna pour all this here, put this, take it away later. That's flavor. This is some real vegetables, and this is paprika, hot pepperoni. So of course we are taking all this stuff with us. I am taking all this stuff with me when I'm leaving this place. I don't want this river get dirty anymore. It is already too much dirty, and I want to save this river and this space for enjoyment, for me and for all other people that are coming here. So this is okay. Just put the stone over it so wind won't take it away, and now pouring hot water as it is supposed to be. And zaboravio sam. Oh. That's cool. So I will leave it be a couple of minutes, and after that we will enjoy, inshallah. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna relax and listen to the river and all the birds singing their songs here. Noodles are smelling so good. Even 2 meters away I feel them. So let's eat. Bismillah. Almost ready. Oh. Noodles are done. That was good. Now it's time to get all the rubbish and maybe enjoy some photo shooting here. This goes with me to the car and later where it's supposed to be. I really enjoy the sound of the river. It is really relaxing for me, and I just can spend time here next to river, just listening to river sound. Although there is football game back at the stadium, maybe I'll go later there, I'm not sure, but for now I'm just having this relaxing sounds of nature here. You know, you don't need to comment that too much, just let it be and enjoy. Can you hear that? I hope so. There is one more thing I forgot to say. There is some wildlife here, but today is cold, so we are quite safe from snakes and lizards and everything else. But just a couple of seconds ago, a wild duck flew away. Sometimes they fly here, come here to this pool, and sometimes they just go up the river. So we can say there is quite a wildlife here. Not that much, not untouched nature, but it's quite good. So as we go farther from the river, birds are more clear to hear. So, and it seems like that birds are louder right now, but there is a river, so with that go to the adventure. There are some birds. If I can make some bird shot, that would be perfect. I just need to see if I've locked the car. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer here, because this canyon is in original, it was really nice before people remake it, this road, and I don't know, some more activities from people, but it's quite good. Look at this tree. Maybe a month ago or something like that, when I was doing this video for my main channel. It was not green, there was no leaves on it, so now it gets as beautiful as it's possible. That one and this little one as well. I don't know if you can see it. But now let me show you the river. Believe me, it is nice here. On this field there, I have a person that I know. He said last year or 2 years ago he camped here for like a month, 29 days. Get there, get cleaned up all field, prepared camp, and being there for 20 days, 30 days. That's beautiful. Yeah, it is nice. It could be really nice. So let's just get closer to the water a little bit. Enjoy a little bit more the riverside. You see, there was the path to get to the other side. People are camping, people are having picnic there and everything else, enjoying. That place is really to be enjoyed. It's made, it's God given to be enjoyed. The real problem is we need to keep this river clean and all these fields and pools and everything clean, so we can enjoy it and generations after us can enjoy it. Well, there was one interesting thing a couple of days, maybe 10 days ago or something like that. I was with my family over there in another pool, and there was a stream, fishing stream, and there was a fish that caught on that stream, but somehow the stream was on the tree, and when I get closer I wanted to pull the stream, pull the fish out so I can show it to the children, but while I was trying to catch it, it fell from tree, and the fish just went to the river somewhere in pool, so I cannot reach it. Depends how you like it. I'm just going to take some water here. And go back to the car. So, here next to the river, I just met a man who knows this region perfectly, and he offered his time to bring me to one of the caves on these rocks here. Whew. And to be honest, I get tired really. I'm not ready for this, but this man is just running through over these rocks. And for now, this is one. He said it's called first, odnosno prva mala pećina, and this here is this one is bigger. So let's see it together. To be honest with you, this is my first time to come here to see this cave, and it's interesting for me. I was in some of these caves back in the days. Ova ima još? Čekaj da upalim moj telefon, ne vidim se. Ne vidi spoj malo ovako. Nema se. Nema se. Aha. Ne znam, brate. Kako će vidjeti. Aha. This cave is a little bit deeper. It says maybe koliko 10 metara gore, 10 or 20 meters up in the stone. This is how it looks like. Stone inside. There are this beauty of the nature, stalactites and stalagmites, but this is not still formed as well, but it is there. Now with this, you can hear it here. That's funny, that's interesting. So this is a bigger cave. Maybe you cannot see it very well, but okay. Here is another side. Oba. Can go here. This is funny, interesting. It's called terrace. Oba. You get out, you have view. Aha. Ali ova može da se obiđe, vidiš? Ova može da se obiđe. Brate, hvala ti. Malo snimim. So, here between these two rocks, where the river is, where the forest is a little bit bigger, there is the cave we just entered, and all the way down on the other side of the pool and over the river, and you are on this field here. At this moment I would like to thank the man who took me there. I just heard about these caves. He said there is about 8 caves here on these stones here up. So maybe sometime in the future I'm gonna explore all of them, but I'm not sure. Anyway, this was from a really boring day became a quite interesting day. So one more time I want to say thank you to the man. He don't want to be recorded. Thank you. This was about it in this vlog, this adventure. Maybe somebody of you will come to see, and somebody from here, from 2 people will come here. See ya.